Hey everybody, welcome back to another Frog Kingdom video. Today, I already finished this, but it's on Generations. I just want to do a playthrough, and I'll just click continue. So it doesn't work right. I don't know why, but today we are just going to play some Sonic Generations, and I'll get to a couple levels. Do all that, but let's go over here. I'll probably turn supersonic, but let's just go to Green Hill Zone right now. Okay, I haven't played this in a long time, even though I finished it. Woo. I have to tell you, it was hard. Alright, let's just collect all these. Oh my god. That scared me. I didn't even know that there. Even though I finished it up. Never mind. That I thought I was a right one. Oh no. Not today. So right now we're just gonna go over here up. I need those rings. Sure y'all all heard of Sonic, but if y'all didn't, he's basically a blue hedgehog who can run at the speed of sound, and I have, as you can see, I got, the Chaos. I have enough rings for the turn the Supersonic, and I also have the Chaos Emeralds. Should I turn it? So I'm going to turn into Supersonic in a bit. It's going to be near the end, because I want to finish it up. Oh my gosh, I can't. Alright, I'm going to turn into Supersonic. I am invincible. Alright, let's just go over here. Come at me. And I always miss that coin. I mean, not coin. This is Mario. I'll make a Mario video today, but not now. Hold on, guys. I'm just trying to figure out how do I get that. Alright, guys.
Brooklyn? You want Brooklyn?
Got it. So let's just go over here and we'll just collect all the. I'll try to finish this as soon as possible. I just needed that. And we got away. Oh, I'm running out of. I'm about to not become supersonic because I'm about to die. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, grab those rings, get that, and let's go down here. What if I just
Yo, Bandit, what you do?
I thought it would work. I tried to spin dash to make it look cooler so you guys would like it better. But I'ma just need to go through here, go through there, go loop to loop. And then finish. So close. If I didn't do that, I would have finished that at Supersonic, but I don't really care. Let's see what we got. A B. Nice. Perfect. A. Actually, it's an A. Alright. Now we will do that as modern Sonic. That was classic Sonic, if you guys didn't know. There are two different timelines. So, let's just, I got new artwork. Let's go check that out. No. Let's see what Tails got to say. Okay, Tails, I know that ish. Alright, let's just go over here and check out the new art. And try to find it. There it is.
Oh, no.
Nope.
Already Bowser's gone?
It was 2 stock.
No, it's not. It's 3 stock.
Oh my god, then he must have killed himself.
That Bowser's active.
Alright, hold on. I forgot to turn the model Sonic.
That brilliant.
I'll make another video. Alright guys, I'm going to do camera, go plant zone, and this in this Hill Zone if I have time. Then tomorrow I'll probably do another video. But I'm just gonna. Okay. I'm just gonna stop talking. Guys, I have a Switch, but I know how to record it. I don't know how to record it to my channel. So if you guys will tell me in the comments, then I will be gladly appreciated. I know what to do. Yeah, let's just. Oh.
Entire species. Oh, I should have stayed on rock.
Whoopsies. Alright guys, let's get up here before I have to and do a flip and then get out of here. And as you can see, this supersonic can fly. And I ran out of rings. Just my luck. Let's get some combos. If you guys would tell me how to record on the Switch, I would make a video about Smash. And I gotta start off here. Just great. And I miss it. I was trying to be cool. Oh. Okay. Do. Couple combos. He's trying to get me, but I won't let him. Alright guys, let's go over here. So we can just ride around. Oh, that's trying to get me. Alright, let's just get out of here. Duck. I hear something. I know you guys see it, and I know I see it, but I'm not gonna do that yet. Trying to get as much coins as possible. Not coins. Why do I keep on thinking of Mario? Maybe because I played a lot of Mario Maker 2. And let's push. Alright, time for him. Let's do this. I'm just gonna not care about. Why am I not boosting? Boost, please. And let's just gather all these rings while we're here. Let's speed through this and try to get as much rings as possible. Make it to the end. And let's just get these rings and try to make it there. No! So close. Let's see. Gotta be. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below if you want more Sonic Generations. And don't forget to subscribe. And tomorrow, if we can get this video to a couple, to just like 1 like, please. We'll versus up against the faker hedgehog Shadow, and we'll probably just do some city escape, and then we'll probably do the death egg. But today I'm just gonna end the video here, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Goodbye. guys, I just gotta get out of this. Okay. Okay, no. No. Alright, goodbye, guys.